Senior lawyer, editor, guy. Ato inimtina yeso yaba ebipia na yaba ewo mine him Mampini, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Wasumam because Nuna Ode Adudie any Insem Odi Ashe Minister as a minister. Na Yabano na ifi Adudie who Ejuma Nansem Huna Sadi Etu Yenya. Banusa, and he said, before Abba, the club, Marcel Santico, Esia, Waba, Ujimudasia, Casa, Wokanina, Sano, Aye. And yet to me, I said, because the free Benti, Yakano, a better now, and Christ. Nano day now, exactly a week today, and now we will be taking the oath. And the yes, I be and I'm finished. Say, and I'm young people will be quiet. Yababi. Meaning, we are able to in Yakum. Yeniano, Ikunu, Yet some. Unfortunately, say, ne do ne pay over the man mind. Any a good year who sema the way who show larger than life support. Obekonu the way for coin. Like the before car, you say a grown a grown median car, a then now, Edison kind work, baby. We can understand, say, out of shock. The people who are going to be a good year, and call the way I open on your shock. Now, I feel it can be understood. But pass a yedi si kind. Oh, it's uncalled for. Now, you are able to me. I am also saying to me, finding you to some family. But we are also, and as I ye, and 2 years, when we are mine, a bino, Ama asuchi I was said, irrespective of who he is. I know the make me to not have action on behalf of His Excellency the President. Send me by and you did Chisa and Yamunkwan. At 2 years now, at 2 mine. And he gained that way. Quite me also. And in football. Openya ye ho nhihye se yenye bibia na ye mpeja ye football na ye ma agodie nu enya agodie ankasa a edem faso bebre ye nyina na ye nim se bibisa be pia eno so akwa Kenya ye but Kenya sa na wo se eba but ye mfa no se ode ne ho ode abo afore. Now, that is why I hear Shem say justice will be done.
Thank you.
On behalf of His Excellency, justice will be done. So that nobody, because the say fans, the stadium. The percent Crawford, young musician for better than Beko stadium a omo beko asan baba bio. Ye person nti o say ye make sure say ipa odi sa aboni nu eni omo tena se yes ade no ye betu omo so that dia be hu say obi ye video ma betu ni ti onye so that o sorry na say wo ka kohwe match wo di wo team echi akwa kohwe match a woni say bibi sa anye de in Anuma, Asia, Ewahami. On behalf of His Excellency, the President John Dramani Mahama, we shared it. If you are a man, I say, common language. Nanso edea you see yanya wu die end no ewo ebeba but unfortunately say yenya die no eba no we ya eba bia no go kwan say obeji obi ne kwan efi that is not part all things in that say bema so ya ban beye ama mo isa abone betu na enye asuchi a ebeye to say just a slap in the back ebeye nia ebeye a deterrent any other person say we are to say 24 years na ma yi show ni chedi now bomba say now see, he didn't go the way he would have loved it. Now, so Rebecca said, all right. Now, on mine the bay, your ministry, say, yeah. All through the journey from 1 week, all through the funeral. So the way I Uyi Nakuma, at the time, I go to there should be the time I will say there should be ya come any ya one day need and more. And you follow so then you say you na asa. You na the better as I then encourage other supporters, then encourage other fans say support to the game then you then a better say that was